This video will walk you through how to use the phone app ScanBot. It's free, available for both iOS and Android, and enables you to send through your scans in real time. The first step is to download the app. Once you've downloaded the app and made an account, click the ScanBot icon on your screen. When you have a document that's ready to scan, click the plus sign at the top of your screen. Raise your hands so that the screen can see the entire page and it will automatically take a photo. Press one page when you're ready. The first time you use the app, make sure to change the filter to black and white. It will automatically save this as a preference. When you're ready and think the photo looks good, click Save. Click More, Send to Email, and enter in paperwork at nwtl.ca. Check the body of the email to make sure that there is no text in the email. When you're done, click Send.